Now in this editor, you can't only edit your video but also you can edit your audio. So if you right click, and as you can see in the audio we have these options. So you can show waveform. So as you can see now we have this audio waveform available, or you can right click and in the edit you can detach your audio. So we will have a separate audio track. So if I hide this clip for example, and now if I play this video guys, so what's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjad, you can listen to the audio. Now if you right click and go to the audio, as you can see we have these options. We can expand waveform, we have mute, enable clean audio, or we can enable beat snapping. So let's expand waveform, and now as you can see we have this expand waveform. You can click your select your audio, and now right here we can increase the volume, increase the speed, we can clean up the audio. So what's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjad, I have a website and a YouTube, and now if I enable this clean audio, it worked perfectly fine. It is now going to clean my audio, it is now going to enhance my audio. So if you want to edit your audio with just one click, then you can use this feature. So I used this before, this is amazing, it worked perfectly fine. So it enhances your audio like you are recording your voice in a studio. And now as you can see it enhanced my audio. So let him just finish his work. So what's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjad, I have a website and a YouTube channel where I teach people how to. So as you can listen guys, as you can hear, we have huge difference. Now you can also add beat snapping. So if you check this, it is going to add a line that indicate that part is include beat. So as you can see now we have this line that indicate that we have a beat on this line. So you can edit your video according to that audio. Now you can also replace this media, or we can go to the subtitle and we can generate automatic subtitle by using only this audio waveform or audio file. And now here we go. So now I'm going to show my clip. So what's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjad, I have a website, and now if I uncheck this enhance, so let's select this audio profile, go to the properties and uncheck these two. So what's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjad. So as you can hear guys, we have huge difference. So this is how you can edit your audio in RunwayML video editor.